Hi, today I'm going to introduce this SanDisk G-DRIVE 22 TB. The SanDisk Professional G-DRIVE Enterprise Class hard drive with a USB-C interface delivers ultra-reliable high-capacity storage in a premium stylish design. The 7200 RPM Ultrastar drive inside features powerful performance with speeds up to 280 MB per second read and 280 MB per second write too. That is perfect for the easy backup and of your HD videos, music, photos and high value contents. The stackable anodized all aluminum enclosure offers premium durability and anchor points for attaching to a TNT card, a mounting plate or other gear for your production use. The G-Drive desktop hard drive also offers LED brightness customization with 3 modes. So let's unbox